I'm Jonathan. Hey, we're gonna test the sound right now.
So what am I supposed to use, cinematic or video?
Cinematic. Cinematic is what makes it more movie-like. That's what I use. And you're gonna do editing, so I can kind of talk and you'll find them better.
Wait, what?
So what's his job? Just trying to think about what his job is, and then my mind is at ease.
Whose job?
Jonah, does he have a job?
Whatever you think. What do you want?
What did you guys talk about?
Anything. I told him whatever you and him decided upon.
Okay.
Do you want to do pictures or no?
I'll do it.
You don't want to do it, do you?
No,
It's
shake.
okay. So I'm gonna plug it up right there. You want to shake? Okay.
I just don't want to get my feet in there, that's all.
Okay. So you're kneeing up.
That's fine. My knee up is fine.
It's recording.
This is terrible though.
Play, because I'm going to be showing like basic, very basic stuff. Better. It was much better earlier, but maybe there's like a snippet in there or something.
Okay. Nice. We're going live in 3, 2, 1.
All right, welcome back to Jonathan Music.
An artiste. In 3, 2. In 3, 2.
You're making me nervous, babes.
Why?
Okay.
Welcome to my channel.
And I don't know what you're doing, buddy. It's really distracting me with all the hand moving. Hey, welcome back to Jonathan Music. I'm Jonathan. So, who wants to learn how to play the guitar? Anybody? Don't stop.
2, 1.
Anybody?
This is video 2, our tutorial video for editing.
So let's go. All right, we're gonna turn it on. This is 88 beats per minute. Let's get playing. Come back. I didn't know what to say.
Come back! I was like, what the hell?
Okay.
Where's the rest of it?
Yeah.
Okay, that was really good. Really
Okay.
good first take. I wouldn't do it again.
Okay.
Perfection. So,
Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll talk to you soon. But before we go, hit the subscribe button. See you around.